Welcome to Best Productly.
Best Cordless Electric Lawnmowers 2026. The best cordless electric lawnmowers of 2026. These powerful and eco-friendly machines are designed to make mowing smoother, quieter, and more convenient than ever. Whether you have a small backyard or a large lawn, we've got options that deliver.
Top 1.
Ego Power Plus Electric Lawnmower, self-propelled cordless with 22-inch aluminum deck. The Ego Power Plus electric lawnmower brings modern design together with performance for those who want an easier way to maintain their yard. Built with a wide cutting deck, it helps cover more ground in less time, making it practical for different lawn sizes. Since it is cordless, there's no hassle of fuel, fumes, or tangled wires, giving users a cleaner and smoother experience outdoors. The aluminum deck adds durability while keeping the mower lighter to handle compared to traditional heavy machines. People looking for efficient grass cutting often prefer a self-propelled lawnmower, as it moves forward with less effort from the user. This makes mowing less tiring and more manageable, even on uneven surfaces.
Top 2.
Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel 21 Self-Propelled Dual Battery Mower Kit. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Mower is designed for people who want smooth lawn care without the hassle of gas. This model runs on a dual battery system that helps it work with power and consistency. The self-propelled design makes it easier to guide across different surfaces, giving steady movement while covering more ground in less time. With its strong performance, this tool is a reliable option for both small and larger yards. Built with attention to durability, this equipment is made to handle regular use while still keeping efficiency high. The wide cutting deck helps reduce the effort needed, allowing users to complete mowing faster.
Top 3.
Greenworks ADV 25-inch cordless battery, brushless, self-propelled, rear-wheel drive 3-in-1 lawnmower. The Greenworks ADV lawnmower is designed for people who want to keep their yard in good shape without dealing with gas or heavy maintenance. With its cordless design, it helps you move freely while working, making outdoor care less stressful. A wide 25-inch cutting path allows more grass to be covered in less time, which makes it a practical option for larger spaces. The brushless motor also plays an important role in delivering reliable power while running smoothly. The rear-wheel drive setup makes it easier to handle different types of terrain, whether it is flat or slightly uneven. Being self-propelled, it reduces effort and lets you work at a steady pace.
Top 4.
Ego Power Plus Select Cut LM2156SP 21-inch 56-volt battery self-propelled lawnmower with 10 battery and 700-watt turbocharger. The Ego Power Plus lawnmower offers a modern solution for keeping grass areas neat with less effort. Built for homeowners who want cleaner yards, it is powered by advanced technology that makes mowing more efficient. This tool is designed to provide consistent cutting performance while remaining easy to operate on different types of lawns. With its cordless design, users can move freely without worrying about fuel or tangled wires. The strong battery capacity allows long runtime, making it practical for both small and larger yards. Many people choose this option when looking for reliable alternatives to gas models. The battery-powered lawnmower reduces the hassle of constant refueling while producing lower noise, which creates a more comfortable outdoor experience.
Top 5.
Husqvarna Lawn Xpert LE322R battery-powered self-propelled lawn mower with brushless motor. A neat and well-trimmed yard always creates a fresh and welcoming look, and many people prefer tools that save time while giving a professional finish. The Husqvarna Lawn Xpert LE322R works with modern battery technology designed for smooth operation without the hassle of fuel. Its self-propelled design makes movement across the grass simple, helping you cover more ground with less effort. Garden enthusiasts often look for options that combine convenience with effective performance, and this model offers a way to keep outdoor areas looking clean without extra maintenance troubles.
Latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.